Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in the series of talking about stock market updates, we will be discussing about the global news. Further, we will be looking what happened with Nifty 50 today, and I will be discussing about Adani Group stocks. Yes, there has been a lot of news coming in Adani Group. Further, I will be telling you about one growth sector and a stock which I'm planning to buy for next 10 years towards the end of this video. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Now, if you will see the Dow Jones, it is currently trading negatively and it is 155 points down, which can impact our Indian market tomorrow as well. Now, what is the main reason why Dow is falling right now is because the Fed is going to raise the interest hikes, and there is a big economic data coming out of US in coming days, due to which I believe that market is factoring in that particular news. And if the market gets the better economic results or better economic data, it can turn around from these levels as well. Talking about Nifty 50 today, you will see that in Nifty 50, there has been a huge reversal coming from exactly the 20 days moving average. Yes, we discussed this yesterday in our video as well, that if Nifty breaks this level, Nifty can come down to the level of 17,350. And if you will check it today, the Nifty made a low of 17,345 and a high of 17,625. The exact level which I told in yesterday's video of 17,350. Nifty took a support from that particular level and rebounded. This is a very good candle, and you can see that there has been a lot of strength in this candle with positive volume. You can see there is a green candle coming in the volume chart, which means that there has been a good positive volume in Nifty today, and I believe that this is a mark of reversal. So if you're trading in Nifty or in options, I must tell you that if Nifty crosses the level of 17,630 in tomorrow trading session, then there are chances that Nifty can go to the level of, yes, this particular level of 17,700. It is going to be a big hurdle for the Nifty, and if it breaks tomorrow this level of 16,700 and sustains above it, then there are chances that we are going back to the level of 18,000 in the coming trading sessions. Now, talking about FIIs and DIIs data, as you can see in FIIs and DIIs data, there has not been a huge up and down. You will see that there has been buying of 563 crore from FIIs on 23rd August, and you will see that in DIIs there has been a selling of 215 crore rupees only. So there has been not a positive or a negative impact of this particular thing on the market, but again, seeing a market volume and volumes in Nifty 50, I believe that there are chances that we might again start the upward journey soon. So if you are there in the market, be stick with your stocks, keep looking for the opportunities and the stocks which are currently trading at the margin of safety. Now, talking about the Adani Group, yes, there has been a big news coming from the Adani media arm. It is planning to purchase 29.18% stake in NDTV, and they have launched open offer. So basically, they have launched open offer at a price range of rupees 294 approximately. And if you are thinking or if you are planning to buy NDTV, in my opinion, you should keep watching the stock, how it trades in coming trading session. I know like Adani is a big name, and buying at 30% of stake can impact the stock positively, but if you will see the Nifty NDTV stock, you will see that this stock has already given a run up from the level of 150 rupees, and this is crazy. Like in last few months only, this particular stock has given a rally of 100%, and this is the trend line which I'm drawing, a channel pattern which you can see in this particular, well, sorry for the drawing, it's not that good, but I believe that if it breaks the level of 350, the stock can further fall to the level of 300 rupees. If you are planning to invest in NDTV, well, I will suggest you not to invest at the 52 weeks high. I will suggest you to wait for some time, look for the opportunity, and if it stocks fall level 300, then you can do your first investment. And if it falls further, then you can plan to buy this particular stock around the level of 250 rupees. Well, if I will be investing in this particular stock, then I will be looking for entry around the level of 300 only. So the next thing, there was a news related to the Gautam Adani's empire, which says that they are deeply over leveraged, and it warns multiple people or the industries and the country that they are going to fall if the companies or the government started to increase their rate hikes. Well, I completely agree with this particular news that they are deeply over leveraged. But if you will see that why Adani Group stocks have been like taking so much of loan is because of their expansion plan. The industries they are into, like power sector, now they are even like buying a cement sector stocks, and they're planning to go into aluminium sector as well, requires huge money. And I believe that this is one of the reasons why these companies are over leveraged. If you will see Adani stocks, they have no fundamentals at all. Their P's are rising high like anything, and this is one of the reasons that people are more fearful that if falls come in Adani stock, then it can fall up to 50-60% in one instant. So I believe that if you are someone who does not like to take risk, should stay away from the Adani stock. And if you are someone like who likes to take risk or who likes to follow the trends of the market, then definitely you can look into some of the good Adani stocks like Adani Power and Adani Wilmar, which I personally like because they have sound fundamentals in comparison to Adani Green, Adani Transmission and Enterprise. Now, if you will see that today Adani Power stock fell like 5% and it closed on a lower circuit. Well, I already discussed about this particular stock that I will be buying, or like I will be making entry in this stock at a level of 350 rupees. And from the level of 350 rupees, it has already given a good run up to a level of approximately 430 rupees. Now it has made a negative 5% because of the news that Adani Power is now under the ASM list stage 4. You can see that it falls under ASM stage list 4, where that there has been additional surveillance measures taken by NSE to track the Adani Power record, that why this particular stock is increasing in such a great momentum. And this is a negative news for Adani Power, because now it will lose its volume, which was coming like anything in last couple of days. You can see here in the volume chart there has been multiple green candles which show that people are highly interested in buying these stocks. Well, now if you will ask me, if you have Adani Power, you should plan to exit at least 50-60% of Adani Power stocks. I have done my profit booking in this particular stock, and I believe that this stock can further fall to the level of 350 because NSE stage 4 is a big thing in stock market, and you can expect that Adani Power can lose its momentum for next 3 months. Yes, because there will be additional surveillance, and people will be, or NSE will be tracking this particular stock, due to which a lot of investors won't be investing in Adani Power. So that's about Adani Power. And if you will see that there is another stock from Adani Group, that is Adani Wilmar, which is in ASM stage 3. It was also in the ASM stage 4 category from last 3 months. That's why the stock was not able to give a good up move. And yes, you should be cautious entering into Adani stocks. Now, talking about the growth sector, which I am being bullish on, is again somewhat related to Adani Power, is the power sector and the EV market. Well, if you will see, there is a huge news coming in from the sources that Indian EV market to hit the annual sales of 17 million units by 2030. Well, this is a very big thing, and there has been claims that Indian EV market can expect a CAGR of 49% between 2021 to 2030. Well, I believe the EV story is very early, or you can say that it's still in the developing phase in the Indian market, because there has been a lot of infrastructure challenges in India. But if you will see, look outside in the tier 1 cities, or if you look into the major cities, people are really adopting the EV market. Yes, people are ready to change, and there has been like hybrid cars coming in instead of pure EV vehicles. And I believe that even there, if there is a hybrid vehicle market, then there are huge chances that One of the biggest car manufacturers of EVs in India, Tata Motor, can get a big boost. Now the stock which I'm going to talk here is directly not played in the EV market, but provides components or the infrastructure for the EV market. And the stock which I'm talking here is Tata Power. Yes, this is one stock which I'm very keenly interested in buying, and it is at a right price. If you will see that it has made a high of 298 rupees and low of 122 rupees in 52 weeks, and the current price is 231 with a book value of 70 and stock PE is 34. In comparison to Tata Power, this particular company is doing exceptionally well in power sector as well as the EV market also. And if you will check here, the sales of this particular company has been increasing since June 2020 to June 2022. It's a profit-making company with a brand of Tata. Then I believe that it needs no introduction. And if I'll talk about the FII's, DII's interest in this particular stock, or what is the shareholding pattern for this particular stock, the promoters holds 46.86% of stocks, and if you will see that FIIs have 10% of stake, and again DIIs hold 14% of stake, and there is very limited, only 30% of stake with the public. So I believe that this is one particular stock which you can plan to enter in coming years. I believe that this company can get a huge benefit from the Tata Motors as well, and from the power sector itself. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of today's stock market update and the Adani Group stocks. Further, I believe like this is one company I would like to cover in my upcoming videos as well. I have entered in this particular stock at a price level of 220, and I am planning to acquire Tata Power stocks more in coming future. So that's it for today. If you like the video, and please make sure to like and comment. And if you want any suggestions, or if you want to have any questions, or want me to make any video on a particular stock, please do comment on my videos, and do share it with your friends. Once again, thank you.